All right, guys, today we got a 2002 Tahoe. We experienced a problem with the heat. You see here, got on 1, 2, 3, 4 don't work. You get to 5, you hear the heat clicking on. Most common problem for these is going to be the resistor that goes on the blower. As you see, I got the resistor right here. Now this in particular model, there's two different resistors. One that had 2 holes on the side, and then this one already had the 1 hole on the side, so we didn't know which one, so we just bought both of them. We returned whatever one we don't need. All right, just to let you know, this is located right under here. You got this black cover down here. Let me just get these out of the way. Don't break nothing. You got this black cover down here. You got 3 screws. You got 1, 2, and 3. They're 7mm bolts. So I'm gonna get down here and real quick take these suckers off. That boy on it. Nope, I'm gonna have to use the ratchet for that one.
Well, that's one drill.
You go ahead, turn off the truck. Can't fit that power tool in there, so I have to go manual. There's 3 of them. The third one on the side, we'll have to take it all the way off. Let's feel for it, try to find it. Should be one more. Where'd you go? Oh, yep, it's right up here in the corner. You're just gonna have to feel for it. It's right up here in the corner. If you put your finger in and go all the way up, you can feel it. Now that we got the cover off, look down here. See it? Sits right here. This is your resistor blower. You got the screw here and the screw here. First thing you want to do is you want to disconnect the power from here. Take the 2 screws out, and then you can follow this wire back up to where it connects to the blower motor. You could disconnect it. That's pretty much all there is to it. I believe this is a 7, maybe a 6mm. Let's see if try the 7. Yeah, it's gonna be smaller than a 7. So you're looking at maybe a 6 or a 5mm for that. So that's pretty much it. You put that in, you should be able to get that the heat to work. If it doesn't, then my next thing to tell you to do would be to replace this unit right here. Sometimes, you know, the switch is back here where it makes the connection, goes bad on it, but we believe that this is a problem that we're experiencing. Hopefully this helps you guys out. All right, guys, so I got the part out. I tugged on a little bit too hard and this part ripped off on it. Man, this thing was a pain in the butt to try to get out. One tip I can give you guys to see on the new one here, you got the little ping tab. I'm gonna pull that down, and you're gonna be, I just was able to, with the screwdriver, get back there and push this back and pull it out. As you can see, I mean, didn't come out nice and easy, but it didn't have a choice. I was gonna make it come out. So essentially, once you get that out, pretty much self-explanatory. Plug this back on the inside. plug the back cable cord to this. The two 7mm bolts, or I'm sorry, they turn out to be 6mm bolts, and you could go ahead and plug that in, and then put the little cover back on with the 3 screws, and hopefully that should take care of the problem for you. Once I get this in, I'll do a test run and see if it works. All right, guys, finally got this piece in. Plugged it back up. I'm sorry, that was a 5.5 millimeter for the 2 screws for the resistor over there. The 6, it will work, but once it starts getting a little stiff, we'll start skipping. So that's a 5.5 and then a 7 on the cover. And we're gonna do a little test start here. Got it off. Got 1. We got something. We got 2. We got something. We got 3. We got something. So that looks like it took care of the problem. So if you're experiencing this problem, or you only get them on 1, 2, 3, or certain ones on there, that resistor blower is your first thing that you probably want to go and get replaced. This was a part number. Now, like I said earlier, there was 2 of them. This one, when I took them down, the only difference was one of them had 2 holes on them, one of them had a single hole. This one was a single hole, so this is for the single hole one. If you are not sure what you could do, just take down this cover, look up at there, and you could see on the resistor if it has 2 or 1, and that will give you a better idea, so you don't have to go to the store and buy 2 of them like I did. All right, guys, hopefully this video helps you out. Hook me up with a like, and have a great day.